friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study. If you want to build binary search tree, then you can take any node as a root node and then you take all smaller node at left side of the root node and all bigger node on right side of the root node. So here you take 42, 35, 10 which are smaller than 50. So they will inserted in the left subtree of binary search tree, while the bigger node, those are 68, 55, 90 and 80 are bigger than the root node, that is 50. So you can insert in the right subtree of this binary search tree. Now again in the left subtree you have to follow the same rule. So here in the left subtree you take anyone as a root node. Suppose if you are taking 35 as a root node, so you take all smaller element than 35 you take in the left subtree and all bigger elements you take in a right subtree. So 10 is smaller than 35, so you take it in a left subtree, and 42 is bigger than 35, so you take it into right subtree. Similarly, in the right subtree of your root node of the tree with key 50 having a 4 elements, so you take any one element as a root element. Suppose here we are taking 80. So again you can construct here two subtree in which all keys less than 80 you can take in a left subtree. So here you take 68 in the left subtree, 90 in a right subtree because it is bigger than 80, and 55 in a left subtree. Now in the left subtree of node with key 80 you have to follow the same rule. So you take any node as a root node. Suppose here we are taking 55. So again you take the left subtree and right subtree. Here you have a node 68 that is bigger than key 55. So 68 will inserted in the right subtree. So here you can see 68 and 90 are single elements, so they will be connected into the right side of 55 and 80 respectively. So in short, binary search tree is binary tree in which all node have a 0, 1 or 2 elements. And additional property is the left subtree of the node contain nodes with the keys smaller than the node keys, while right subtree of nodes contain only nodes with the keys greater than the node's key. And left and right subtree must also binary search tree. So we will see how to insert the node in binary search tree using code. So here we have a keys 50, 35, 80, 22, 55, 90, 10 and 68 in any random order, and initially root containing the null. So we have a function here that is struct node insert, and in that you are passing the root address that is struct node and the key that you want to insert. So initially you are taking key 50 for the insertion, so you are checking the condition if node is equal to null. So here you can see node is root and it is null here, so you are returning the new node with key. So here your new node is having structures like this in which you have a left and right pointer null, and you can take the keys in the data part, and now it is assigned to the root. Now if you want to insert the second element, that is 35, again you call insert struct node and key. So here your struct node is nothing but the root node. So you are passing here the address 130 and key is 35. So again you are checking node is equal to null. You have passed the root here, so it is not null. So you are checking this condition. Key is less than node key. So your key is 35 and your node key that is 50 here. So condition true. So you are going inside the if condition and you are calling insert function with node left. So here your node left is null and key is 35. So you are making the new call with null here in the node and key as a 35, and that things you are assigning into the node left. So here you can understand when you are calling this function, you are getting null here. So this condition become true and you are returning the new node with key 35. And that new node you are inserting at node left. So initially your node was root. So on the root left, you are inserting the new node with the key 35. And then you are returning the node that is ultimately your root node. Now, if you want to insert one more element that is 80 here, so again you pass the root that is address 130 and key as a 80. Then you check if node is equal to null. Here node is root, that is not null. So you are checking the first condition. Key less than node key. So 80 less than 50, condition false. So you go to the else part and in that you are calling again insert functions with node right. So here you can see your node is root here and root right is null and your key is 80. So you are calling this insert function again with null and 80. So this if condition become true and you are returning the new node with 80, and that node you are taking into the current node that is your root node right side. So here you can understand your node is inserted to the right of the root node and you are returning the root node with this return instructions. Similarly, if you want to insert 22, you are comparing with the first node that is root node, and if it is less than the root node, you are going to the left subtree, and again in left subtree root element is 35. Again you are comparing it with 22. 22 is less than 35, so you are adding 22 at left side of the 35. Now if you want to insert 55, you are comparing it with the root that is 50. 55 is greater than root. So you are going to the right side. You are comparing it with the 80. So 55 is less than 80. So you are inserting left to the node 80. Similarly, if you want to insert the next key that is 90, you are comparing it with the 50. 90 is bigger than 50, so you are going to the right. Again you are comparing with the node that is 80. So 90 is greater than 80. There is no node at the right of the this node. So you are inserting the new node and you are updating the right pointer of node containing key 80. Now if you want to insert one more element that is 10 here, so you are comparing it with the root. 10 is less than the root key, so you are comparing with the left child node that is 35. 10 is less than 35, so again you are going to the left of the 35. You are getting 22 here. 10 is less than 22 and there is a null at the left side of the node containing key 22. So you insert the node with keys 10 at the left side of node containing key 22. Now you are taking one more element that is 68. 68 is greater than 50. So you are going to the right side. 68 is less than 80. So you are going to the left side and then you are comparing it with the 55. 68 is bigger than 55 and this node having right pointer null. So you update the right pointer, insert the node with keys 68. So here you can see your all node is get inserted, and if you are doing the in order traversal of this binary search tree, so you will start from root, and from left side you are starting, and whenever you are touching to the bottom of the node you will note the elements, that is the in order traversal. So we are going forward, and at here you can see we are touching to the bottom, so that is 10 here. Now we are moving further, and we touch the bottom of node 22, so we will print 22. Moving further, we are getting bottom of node 35, so we will print 35 in our output. Then we are getting the root elements with keys 50, so we will print it. Again we are moving further. Now we are touching the bottom of node having keys 55, so we will write 55 in our list. Then we are moving further, we are getting 68. Then again we are going ahead, and we will touch 80 at the bottom side, so we'll print 80 here. Then we are going ahead, and we are touching 90 at the bottom side, and then we are moving further, we are touching to the right, right and right. So here you can see your entire list is in sorted order. That means once you are doing in order traversal of the binary search tree, it is always in sorted order. Now, if you see the time complexity of binary search tree, in worst case, it is in order of h, where h is the height of the tree. But suppose if your given element is already in sorted orders, and then you are inserting one by one element at the leaf side of the tree, you are getting 10 at the root, then you are inserting 22 at the right of 10, then you are inserting keys 35 at the right of 22, and then you are inserting 50 at the right of 35, then you are inserting 55 at the right side of 50, then you are inserting 68, you have to insert it to the right of 55, then you are inserting 80, and then you are comparing with 10, 22, 35, 50, 55 and 68, and you are inserting to the right of 68, and similarly for 90 also you are comparing through the all elements, and then you are inserting at the right side. So this kind of binary tree is known as the skew binary tree. So in skew binary tree insertions, every time you have to go through the all n elements for the insertions. So in such kind of skew binary tree, your worst case time complexity is nothing but order n, because you have to compare all n elements that is already inserted into tree, and then you are inserting the element at last, so you have to compare all n elements. So this is what all about the insertion in binary search tree. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.